Hello friends, today we are checking out MX-17 Linux, which is a Debian based Linux, and if we look at its site, it says MX Linux is a cooperative venture between the Antics and the former Mapis communities. There is nothing much on the home page. Let's go to the download link. Here you can see that it is available in both 32-bit and 64-bit, and you can download it via torrent or either by the direct links available here. Now let us install it over the virtual machine. Type is Linux, version is Debian 64-bit. Next. Okay, so I have to remove it. Okay, we'll start it again. MX-17 Linux Debian 64-bit. Next, we'll give it a 2 GB of RAM. We'll give it 15 GB of hard disk space, which will be enough. Create settings, system, processor, will give it 2 CPUs. Enable PAENX. Display will give it 128 MB of video memory. Enable 3D acceleration. Storage, live CD, and okay, let's start it now. I think it has VirtualBox Guest Editions pre-installed, so we will have a normal screen size so that you guys can also have a better look at the screen. This is the welcome screen. We will look at it after the installation. Next. Yes. This installation process will not take much time. I think it will be over under 7 or 8 minutes. Installation is pretty fast. Debian based distros, and even with Debian also, that the installation process is very fast. It doesn't take much time. Is that they are very stable compared to some other distros like Arch or Arch based distros. I have nothing against Arch and Arch based distros. I myself is a big fan of Arch. as I am a big distro hopper, so I keep on installing Arch based distros, especially Arch Merch is a new distro created by a very wonderful guy, Eric Dubious. I think I am pronouncing his last name wrong. One more thing, please forgive me for all these background noises and my bad voice, as I am having a bad throat, and also the microphone I am using is kind of cheap. Right now I don't have that much money to invest in a good microphone, but hopefully soon I will get microphone. Do let me know in the comment section that what do you guys think about Debian and Debian based systems. Like Ubuntu is also a Debian based system, and and which one you will prefer to use. Right now I am also using Debian 15.5, which is a Debian based system itself, and I am pretty much satisfied with it. It's really good. And yeah, I will definitely recommend it to anyone without any doubt. If you have not checked it yet, then please check it once. The installation process is about to be complete. After that, only grub installation and user creation process will be remaining. By the way, this is my second video on the YouTube, so I'm not much familiar with making the videos and editing it. So if there are any mistakes, then please forgive me for that, and do give me your suggestions if you have any, that how can I improve my videos and its qualities, and what would you guys like to see more. Okay, let's give this computer a name. And another thing here is that we have to give a name to computer domain and work group. We cannot leave it blank. So by default, we have to give a name here. US, this is correct, this is correct. Time zone, we have to change. Asia. Kolkata. Next, user creation. Password. Root password. No, I don't want to encrypt my home folder, and I don't want auto login. Next. Finish. Reboot now. Yes. Let the system reboot. Press enter key to continue. Yes. Yeah. I really like this wallpaper. Or did I said it earlier? Anyways, This wallpaper is beautiful. Where is the welcome screen? Here it is. And with the wallpaper, we really have a nice conky here. So let's have a look at the welcome screen. We have user manual here, wiki, tools. In tools we have USB maker, snapshot, boot repair, menu editor. In menu editor you can edit the menu according to yourself. You can add or remove programs from it, so you can customize it as per your liking. User manager, NVIDIA driver installer, which is a big help because sometimes an NVIDIA driver installation is a big pain in the head. Codecs installer, conky, network assistant, sound, tweaks. I think this is related to the side panel here, yeah. So you can change its position, bottom or top, left and right. Theme, we don't have much theme here. Let us choose this MX-17 dark theme. Nice. Compositor, none. Let us select Compton, apply. Others, nothing much here. Welcome, check apt gpg keys. Package installer, okay. So this package installer is different from Synaptic Package Manager. Here you can load this different repos available: stable repo, MX test repo, Debian backup repo, backports repo. Okay. Repo manager. These are the MX repos which you can choose from. These are the Debian repos and individual sources. Antix repos, Debian stable updates, Debian list, MX list and various other lists. Quick system info. This one is a really nice script which gives you a quick overview of your system. And iDevice mounter. Cool. Tweaks, I think, yeah, it's the same related to panel. Forums, videos, contribute, popular apps. Let's close it. Let's have a look at the menu. So in favorite we have run program, Conky, LibreOffice, MX tools, user manual, task manager and XFCE terminal. 4.13.0.0-1 and Debian 4.13.13-1 MX-17. Okay. In accessories we have Application Finder, Archive Manager, Bulk Rename, Catfish File Search, Clipit, Conky Manager, Conky Toggle, Featherhead, Calculator, GTK Hash, Light DM GTK plus Creator Settings, Lucky Backup, Midnight Commander. Again, this is a terminal based file manager. It is really easy to use and it's a great file manager. Okay. Clock, device mounter, updater, notes, global time, password and keys, screenshot, sensor viewer, task manager, Tunar file manager, and XFPerl. In games we have Solitaire, Chromium PSU, Hearts, L Breakout 2, Mahjong, Peg E, and Swell 4. Graphics we have GNU Image Manipulation Program, that is GIMP, G-Scan to PDF, LibreOffice Draw, Nomax, which is an image viewer. In internet we have only one browser, that is Firefox, Genome Dial-Up Tool, HexChat, Thunderbird as your mail client, and transmission for your torrent related activities. Multimedia we have also Mixer, CD Reaper, Clementine, GMTP, GUV, View, Pulse Audio Volume Control, SM Tube, and this is for browse and search videos from YouTube, VLC Media Player, and XFPerl, MX Tools, USB Kernel Updater, Live USB Maker, MX Boot Repair, MX Check APT GPG, MX Codec Installer, MX Conky, iDevice Mounter, Menu Editor, Network Assistant, Package Installer, Remaster CC, Repo Manager, Sound, Snapshot, System Sound, Tweaks, and User Manager, Welcome, NVIDIA Driver Installer, and Quick System Info, which is the same script which we saw earlier. In Office we have Dictionary, ebook reader, the complete LibreOffice suite, Orange Calendar, Global Time, PDF Shuffler, and QPDF View. In settings we have About Me, Accessibility, Flash Player, ADSL, PPPoE configuration, Alternative Configurator, Appearance, Bluetooth adapter, Bluetooth manager, desktop. Let's see what are the wallpapers available here. This one is the default one. This one is nice. I like this one. Let's keep it. Disk manager, display, file manager, firewall configuration, Here it is. Gparted, grub customizer, keyboard, light DM GTK plus greater settings, MIME type editor, mouse and touchpad, iDevice mounter, system sound, time settings, MX tools, MX tweaks, network connections, notifications, OpenJDK Java 8, Orange preferences, panel, power manager. I think I should have given it more RAM. Okay, after power manager, here we have preferred applications, print settings, removable drives and medias, Samba, which is for sharing files and data over the same network between different computers, screensaver, session and startup, setting editor, setting manager, synaptic package manager, which is installed by default, which is good, Windows manager, Windows manager tweaks, Windows wireless drivers, workspace. And in system we have again ADSL PPPoE configuration, alternative configurator, bulk rename, command line APT based packages, Conky toggle, DD live USB, which is a live USB making tool using the DD command, disk manager, disk usage analyzer, GDB package installer, Gparted, grub customizer, JSmart control, HTOP. So out of 1.96 GB of memory, we are using 372 M only. That's good. Okay, after HTOP we have light GTK plus greater settings, lucky backup, midnight commander, MX switch users, USB unmounter, user manual, printers, printer settings, root terminal, Samba, sensor viewer, synaptic package manager, system profile and benchmark, task manager, Tuna file manager, Windows wireless driver and XFCE terminal. Here we have all settings. In personal we have about me, appearance, desktop, file manager, system sound, MX tools, MX tweaks, notifications, orange preference, panel, preferred applications, screensaver, window manager tweaks and workspaces. In hardware we have ALSA mixer, Bluetooth adapters, Bluetooth manager, display, keyboard, mouse and touchpad, iDevice mounter, time setting, network connections, power manager, printer settings, pulse audio volume control, removable device and media. In system we have accessibility, ADSL PPPoE configuration, alternative configurator, disk manager, firewall, Gparted, grub customizer, light DM GTK plus greater settings, MIME type editor, Samba, session and startup, and Windows virus drivers. And in others we have Adobe Flash Player, OpenGTK Java 8 Policy Tool, and Setting Editor. Then we have a battery indicator here, volume. This is Ethernet network connection. This is package updater. This is file manager, which is Thuna file manager, and it's 1.6.12, and our Firefox browser. It's taking time to load. Okay, here it is. Okay guys, so that's it for now. I hope you like the video, and if you like it, then please give it a thumbs up, and please do subscribe, uh, and please forgive me if I make any mistakes, and I'll see you soon with another video. Thank you.